Coming to the end of our journey, at the end of the day, everybody wants a report. So we loaded our data as is using the Upload tab. We drew a model for how we want to interact and visualize that data using Connect. We used the Integrate tab to map our sources to the model and to master our data. And we used the Explore tab for validating our integration and our harmonization. And at the end of the day, we want to put this data in a BI tool. And so we're probably going to want some rows and columns again. And for that, we look at Export. On the Export page, we're provided a list of the entities we've harmonized. We can choose to download particular entities, or we could just download them all. We select the entities we'd like to download. We click Export, and provided a notification when our export is available for download. We have facility and person here, and so we can download this, and it'll be downloaded as a single zip file. And we're now able to open these in Tableau or Power BI, or Excel, or whatever our reporting tool of choice is. It's that simple. And so that's it for now. Using the Export tab, it's easy to export data as CSV files and get that into a BI tool for analysis. But we know that using the Data Hub, using data services, we can deliver information in a variety of formats for a variety of consumers using the Data Hub. Just exporting CSVs is a basic functionality that this simple application requires to get us up and running quickly. Also, you can directly hook up BI tools directly to the Data Hub. MarkLogic provides built-in connectors for Power BI and Tableau. But this is the application for now. Have fun! And don't worry, there's more to come.